Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make orange sunset mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to add 30 ml of orange crush into the shaker glass. Then add 120 ml of orange juice. After that add 20 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. And pour all the mixture into the Pilsner glass. Pour all the mixtures. Then take another glass or another Pilsner glass and pour some soda into the Pilsner glass. Then pour 10 ml of grenadine syrup into the, and you have to mix soda and grenadine and pour on top of the mocktail, so that this is the layer mocktail. See, orange sunset mocktail is ready. Serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers. Garnish with orange slices and mint spring. You can garnish with orange slices. The orange sunset mocktail is ready. Thank you for watching my video.